One Nation One Ration Card. The One Nation One Ration Card (ONORC) scheme is a transformative initiative launched by the Indian government to enable seamless access to subsidized food grains for all eligible beneficiaries across the country. Under this scheme, individuals or families holding a ration card issued by any state can avail of subsidized food grains from the Public Distribution System (PDS) shops in any other state. The ONORC scheme aims to address various challenges faced by migrant workers and their families, who often struggle to access subsidized food grains when they move to different states for employment opportunities. By allowing portability of ration cards, the scheme ensures that beneficiaries are not deprived of their entitlements due to geographical barriers. This initiative not only promotes social inclusion but also enhances the efficiency and transparency of the PDS system. It leverages technology such as Aadhaar authentication and electronic point-of-sale (EPOS) devices to enable real-time tracking of transactions and prevent leakages. The implementation of the ONORC scheme has greatly benefited migrant workers and vulnerable populations, providing them with assurance and access to essential food grains wherever they go. It embodies the government's commitment to inclusive growth and social welfare, ensuring that no citizen is deprived of their basic right to food security. In conclusion, the One Nation One Ration Card scheme is a landmark initiative that promotes inclusivity, efficiency, and transparency in the distribution of subsidized food grains. By facilitating seamless access to the public distribution system across states, the scheme plays a crucial role in ensuring food security for all citizens, particularly migrant workers and their families.